Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to edit and design a photo with Adobe Photoshop Mix using your Android smartphone. So before we get started, please make sure you subscribe and click the bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Let's get started.
Install Adobe Photoshop Mix from Google Play Store, but because I have in my phone, there is no need to do that. So let's start. Select Adobe Photoshop Mix. Wait until it finishes open, just a couple of seconds. Depends on the performance of your phone. Okay, here we go. To start our project, select plus sign and then locate your photo. And choose the photo you want. To start editing a video, select looks. And then select portrait, and then highlight your photo to the location you want to edit, to the area you want to edit. Then I'll select the photo. You will notice some changes. Okay, then select event and then okay. And then we need to add a photo. Then select plus sign and then locate the photo you want to add, and then choose the photo you want to add, and then select on looks button, and then you need to select portrait, but you need to wait until it finishes loading. Okay, then select portrait, then highlight your photo to the location you want, to the area you want to be edited. So then you select your photo like this, and then select event, then okay. And then select the blend button, and then our final step, you need to select the match bright button, and then finally select OK. Okay, now here we go. This is our photo. Great, we are done editing our photo. It looks like it is a single photo and not two photos. It looks really great, and this is how to edit a photo using Adobe Photoshop Mix. Looks very good. Now you can share this photo to your friends, Facebook or wherever on social medias. Click on the share button on top bar of your application. Then you can send it to Photoshop. You can save to the gallery. You can just publish on Behance, also save to CC library or anything and more. That's how to edit a photo. See you on the next video.
Tutorial. If you have any question or comment, please write in the comment down below and I'll read all the comments in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe and share. So see you in the next video.